Now wait.
Yes. Hello. Today is December 1st. It's 7:22 p.m. I didn't have time during the day, but now we're doing a little video of the babies. They're 2.5 and almost 3 pounds now, with 2 weeks old. And let's show you, who's that? That's Green. That's Green Boy. And then here, who this is?
This one is Red.
Red Girl. And this is Purple Girl. And
Blue.
here, this is Orange Boy.
That's orange, that's blue.
And then this is Blue Boy over here moving.
And yellow. Yellow.
And then here is Yellow Girl. They're all about the same size. All big heads, nice thick tails.
The eyes are open.
Their eyes are starting to open a little bit. Just tiny little bit. But they're really big. For 2 weeks, they're really big. Nice looking. Look at that. That's moving. They're all sleepy now because they drink mommy's milk. Ooh, look at that mouth.
Look, it's trying to walk.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
And right now they're a little hot, so they spread. When they cold, they get together and they cuddle. They're all sleeping right now. That's all they do. They sleep,
No.
drink milk. Mommy cleans them, go back to sleep. They're doing really good. Look at that one there. It looks like a piggy. That's a piggy. That's a little piggy. And here, there's some hiding under here. And gosh, little piggy. Look at that baby moving there. It's kind of hard to see. We don't have enough light. Oh, look at that. That's Blue Boy. Oh, there's somebody else waking up again. Elizabeth, grab one baby. And show it in the area. Grab a baby. And let's show the face over here. And they're here. Look at that face. Over here. Come on, over here. Over here. There's a face. Oh, it's hard to see because they're so dark. Look at that baby. Put the face under the camera. Let me see. Put that face there. Oh, it's hard to see that face. Can't hardly see the face now. What is it? They're calling mommy.
Let me see your
Natasha, come.
eyes. So cute.
Natasha. Natasha. Come with your babies. Come on. Natasha, come with your babies. Here. Inside. Go inside. Oh, she don't want to go inside now. Yeah, he started to walk. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. The other ones are sleeping.
They're shedding too. Man.
Look at those babies. They're really thick. Big bone, big heads. Beautiful tails. Look at that. Oh, look at that. The other one is sleeping. It's kind of hard to get their faces because there's not enough light. Oh, look at those babies. Okay. If I get some time, we'll try to get on the video during the day. We'll see. Enjoy.